I'll be trying President's Choice Filipino Adobo chicken flavor potato chips. These came from Canada. I've never had adobo chicken. I've been meaning to get up to a Filipino restaurant in our area. Can't say I've had that smell before. Let me pause and go through these and find some good unbroken chips. Alright. Found a few that aren't broken up. And you can see the spices and seasonings all over it. Okay. Well, it's hard to kind of like a roasted chickens, kind of like Peruvian roasted chickens. Yeah, it's got a good taste. Like I said, I've never had an adobo chicken. I'm not sure exactly what spices they use. The picture there, see, it kind of looks like a barbecued chicken. Let's see what it says here. Anything about the... It says seasoned with a delicious piquant blend of garlic and soy. Okay, so garlic and soy must be the main ingredients in adobo chicken. Let's see if the ingredients here: garlic powder, okay, spices and herbs, onion powder, soy sauce. Okay, so that must be the main ingredient in adobo chicken. Garlic and soy, the main flavors. Yeah, now that they say what it is, yeah. Now I recognize that flavor. It does have a kind of a soy taste. Whatever they use, it's good. Now let's see if there's any. See if I can get down there and get the concentrated flavors. Oh yeah, now they come through. Wow. When you scrape all the seasonings off the bottom of these bags, you really get the full effect of the flavors. Well, I think that's pretty good. I'm going to have to get myself over to that restaurant and try some adobo chicken. As far as these chips, I like the flavor.